start our lesson. So come to the blackboard, all of you. Good morning, students and guests.
Good morning, teacher.
We will start our lesson from wishes. Nurprzent, I wish you to be happy.
Thank you, teacher. Dareva, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Nurprzent, the same to you. Agharkim, I wish you all the happiness.
Dareva, thank you, the same to you. Aruzhan, I wish you strong health.
Thank you, Agharkim, the same to you. Nurlan, I wish you to be strong.
Thank you. Ramazan, I wish you to be handsome.
Thank you.
Aidos, I wish you to be happiness.
Thank you. Jaina, I wish you happiness.
Thank you. Ajna, I wish you to smile. Thank you. Zarina, I wish you to be successful.
Thank you, the same to you. Victor, I wish you to be handsome. Thank you. Ayolam, I wish you to achieve all your goals.
Thank you, thank you. Teacher, I wish you good luck.
Thank you. And now, divide into two parts. Dear guests,
We wish you to have a good day.
and now take pens, one pens, be quick, and look at the black active board. If you take yellow pens goes to the group nose. If you take pink pens goes to the group lungs. Sit down, be quick. And now, who is on duty today?
I'm on duty today.
What date is it today?
Today, 26th of January.
What day is it today? Day in a week?
It's Friday.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and windy.
What was our home task?
Our home task was here.
Heart. Thank you. So, what is the most important organ in our body? Zarina?
Heart is the most important
Organ.
organ in our body.
What's the weight of the heart? Aruzhan?
250 or 300 grams.
What's the function of the heart? Ayol?
The heart of located in
No, function. I mean function.
the pumps of
It pumps blood through the blood vessel. Okay. Where is located heart? Okay, Ayol.
the heart of located
Is located
is located
Between the lungs.
in the lungs.
between the lungs. Okay. And now, look at the blackboard. And before beginning mind map, let's close your nose. Close your nose with your fingers. And now, what process goes on?
We can
What organs help us to breathe and air? Okay, let's check it. What is this? Neck. Throat. What about this one? Mouth. Right, you are. Nose. The next lung. Right, you are. And now pay attention to the next 5. What we are going to study today? What is the theme of our lesson today? How do you say it? Scissors. What else?
Smoking cigarettes.
Let's check it. So, the theme of our lesson is respiratory system and effects of tobacco. The aim of our lesson is identify and know the location and function of the respiratory system, understand the process of gas exchange in relation to the circulatory system, analyze the connection to other organs, systems, evaluate the effects of smoking on the lungs, and describe ways to prevent them. And now, we are going today to assess your peers. So that's why you should take this paper number 1. It is in front of you. You should, for example, Nurlan writes his neighbor, peer Ramazan here, and there are 4 tasks. The first is labeling. For labeling, the highest point is 8. For flow chart and cycle, the highest point is 6. For speech bubbles, 3. For participation, I mean the defending forcer, 3. So if you take 17 out 20 means excellent, 16, 12 good, and from 11 satisfactory mark. That's why I wish you good luck. So the next is, as our President Nursultan Nazarbayev mentioned, we should follow world changes, and that's why, according to the trilingual program, we should learn biology in language too. So let's learn new words. Let's start from new words. Repeat these words in group.
Respiratory system.
Respiratory system.
Pharynx.
Pharynx.
The next.
Larynx.
Larynx.
The next.
Trachea.
Trachea.
The next.
Lung.
Lung.
Nasal cavity.
Nasal cavity.
Bronchi.
Bronchi.
Alveolar.
Alveolar.
Cancer.
Cancer.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Mucus. Again, please.
Respiratory system.
Respiratory system.
Pharynx.
Pharynx.
Larynx.
Larynx.
Trachea.
Trachea.
Lung.
Lung.
Mucus.
Mucus.
Nasal cavity.
Nasal cavity.
Bronchi.
Bronchi.
Alveolar.
Alveolar.
Cancer.
Cancer.
Again, please. One more time.
Respiratory system.
Respiratory system.
Pharynx.
Pharynx.
Larynx.
Larynx.
Trachea.
Trachea.
Lung.
Lung.
Nasal cavity.
Nasal cavity.
Bronchi.
Bronchi.
Alveolar.
Alveolar.
Mucus.
Mucus.
Cancer.
Cancer.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
And now, using the activity louder, louder, repeat it again. Louder means you should speak, for example, respiratory system, nasal cavity, bronchi. Let's start. Adelke.
Respiratory system,
The next.
nasal cavity,
Bronchi.
alveolar, pharynx, larynx,
The next.
Trachea.
lung, mucus, cancer. Respiratory system,
Nasal cavity.
Nasal cavity. Thank you. And now, in order to know what functions do all these organs, let's watch the video. Pay attention to the
Respiratory
functions
system.
and the location.
To understand the process of breathing, in humans, the main organs responsible for respiration are present in the thoracic cavity. In the thorax region, the rib cage and a dome-shaped fibrous tissue, known as the diaphragm, are observed. Present within the rib cage are the pleural membranes, which enclose the lungs. The right lung is divided into 3 lobes: the right superior, right middle, and the right inferior lobe. The left lung is smaller and has only 2 lobes, the left superior and the left inferior lobe. Both the lungs are associated externally with small tubular bronchi, which unite and extend into the trachea. The trachea has incomplete C-shaped rings of cartilage, which prevent the tracheal wall from collapsing. The trachea leads into the pharynx, which is connected to the nostrils. As we breathe in air, the oxygen molecules enter the nostrils and travel downwards through the pharynx and trachea to finally reach the bronchi. From each bronchus, oxygen travels into the lungs. Within the lungs, the bronchus divides repeatedly to form bronchioles. Oxygen travels through these bronchioles and reaches the alveoli, each of which is surrounded by a network of capillaries. A section of one alveolus shows the presence of numerous alveolar chambers with pores. Blood, containing RBCs, is seen flowing through the capillaries. The oxygen molecules from the alveolus diffuse into the capillary and then get absorbed by the bluish-purple RBCs. This causes oxygenation of the RBCs, and a transition in their color from bluish-purple to red is observed. The blood moving into the alveolus contains RBCs and carbon dioxide molecules. These molecules are released into the alveolus. The carbon dioxide collects in the alveolar chamber. And then from the alveolus, it travels through the bronchioles into the bronchus, which finally reaches the trachea and is breathed out through the nostrils. So the process of breathing in air rich in oxygen is called inhalation. After the contraction of the muscular diaphragm, the lungs expand and the air rushes in, resulting in the inflation of the alveoli. During exhalation, the diaphragm moves up and the lungs contract. Thus, the alveoli deflate, causing the air to be forced out. This exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. This process of inhalation and exhalation is known as respiration.
So, what is the most important organ in our body? Respiratory organ. It is what? Lung. In order to check your understanding, I want to ask some questions. Ayjanur. So, Ayjanur, how many lobes are there in right lung?
The right lung is divided into three lobes.
Can you show me?
The right superior lobe, right middle, and the right inferior lobe.
Yes. What about the left lung?
There are two lobes.
What are they?
The left superior and the left inferior lobe.
Why the left lung is smaller than the right lung?
Because there is heart.
Yes, there is heart. That's why. Sorry, it's smaller. Thank you. Take a seat. And now we are going to do labeling activity. Open the page number 3. There is labeling activity. I'll give you 30 seconds labeling. Then we will come to the blackboard and put the organs in the right order. I'll give you 1 minute. Be quick. Put the numbers. Near the words, put the numbers. If you have finished, leaders, let me know. Have you finished?
I have finished.
Okay, let's go to the blackboard and put the right order, the organs into the right order. Move it to the place. Okay, you are right. What is it?
Nasal cavity.
Thank you. The next. Ahirki. What is it? Pharynx. Thank you. The next. Aydos. What is it?
Larynx.
Larynx. After the larynx situated, what organ? Who wants to put? Girls? Who else? No pretend. Don't be shy. Be active. What is it?
Trachea.
The next. Jaina. This is a lung, right? You are. The next. Big pipe.
This diaphragm.
Right, you are. The next. Ayolum. Where is alveolar located? Right, you are.
Alveolus.
Alveolar. The next. Zarina.
This is bronchi.
Bronchi, right, you are. And the next. I am going to give you flowchart activity, and the flowchart activity for the group nose, and the next is cycle, activity cycle for the group lungs. So your task is in flowchart, you should describe inhalation process. Inhalation process, put these organs into right place in order to describe inhalation process. So what should you do? What should you do? To put what? Into right order. Yes? In order to describe inhalation process. And for this group, for the activity cycling, you should describe exhalation process. You should, what you should do? It is the same. You should describe exhalation process, putting the words into right order. Let's start. It's a pair. Take the paper 4, number 4. It's a pair. You will work in pairs. I'll give you 1 minute. Group leaders, if you have finished, let me know. Clapping your hands. So the first group was lungs. Let's go to the active board. Come to the blackboard one by one. One by one, no lungs. Start from exhalation. Read it.
Exhalation.
The next person, you are please be quick. Ramazan. Read it.
Exhalation, gas exchange.
Thank you. The next person, Ayolum, be quick.
Exhalation, gas exchange, lungs.
The next.
Exhalation, gas exchange, lungs, trachea.
Trachea. Right, you are. The next person.
Pharynx. Exhalation, gas exchange, lungs, trachea, pharynx.
Pharynx.
Inhalation. Exhalation, gas exchange, lung, trachea, pharynx, and inhalation.
Inhalation. Is your answer the same as in active board? Check in. Check it. Check it. Is it the same as in active word? Your answers. Put your marks. The next group, please come to the black active board. Ahmet, yes, start. The next person, Jaina. It's right because it sounds.
Inhalation, five.
Right, was the next person.
The third, trachea.
Trachea.
Inhalation, pharynx, trachea.
The next.
Lungs. Inhalation, pharynx, trachea, lungs.
Aidos.
Gas exchange. Inhalation, pharynx, trachea, lungs, gas exchange.
Inhalation, pharynx, trachea, lungs, gas exchange, exhalation.
Check your answers. Then put your marks. Put your peers' marks. If you have finished, look at the active word. Before doing this activity, you should divide speech bubbles into 2 groups. Take these bubbles, number 5. You should divide it into smokers and non-smoker speech. And now, look at the active word and check your answer. The first is read it, please.
Smoking cigarettes give me bad breath, having to taste so that food doesn't taste as it should.
Whose speech bubble is it?
Smokers.
Smokers, right you are. And the next, Ayjana.
I have risk of lung cancer and emphysema.
Emphysema. Whose speech?
Smoker.
Smokers. What about this one? Aruzhan.
I have shorts of breath, wheezing, colds, and a chest infection. Smoking.
Yes. And the last? Jaina.
Tobacco has stained my teeth and turned it yellow.
Yellow. Whose speech?
Smoking.
All of these speech bubbles are smokers. Yes. And pay attention to the next file. Nadira.
I enjoy the taste of the H food. Non-smoker.
Non-smoker, right you are. Nurlan.
My gums are pink and healthy. No smoking.
Healthy. Nurpirzin.
My hair always smells good. Non-smoker.
Non-smoker. Ramazan.
My skin is healthy and elastic. I look my age.
Okay, and now the group knows. Please read me non-smoker speech bubble. Non-smoker speech bubbles. Yes, you may.
I have lots of wrinkles and look much older than I really am.
Is that right? You have to compare it. Wrinkles. Non-smoker speech. Non-smokers. Arjun.
My gums are thin and healthy.
Are fit and healthy. Aha.
I enjoy the taste of the eat of food.
Right, you are. Research. Research speech.
My teeth are sparkly and I breathe fresh and clean.
Right, you are. What about non-smokers? Smokers speech bubble. I just.
I have shortness of breath, wheezing, colds, and chest infection.
Right, you are.
Tobacco has stained my teeth and turned it yellow.
Fifth time.
I have lots of wrinkles and look much older than I really am.
Yes, right, you are. You are please smokers speech. Smokers.
Smoking cigarettes give me wet breath and heavy to taste, so that food doesn't taste as it should.
Right, you are.
I have risk of lung cancer and emphysema.
Emphysema. You said?
My hair is stinky, full of nicotine, and my fingertips are yellow.
Fingertips are yellow. Non-smoker speech. Dariva.
My hair always smells good.
Ayolum.
My skin is healthy and elastic. I look my age.
Ayjanar.
I haven't risked developing cancers such as tongue, lips, throat, disease.
Disease. Right, you are. And put your marks. Compare your answers and put your marks for your peers. If you have finished, let me know. The next group. And now stand up. Yes, you will join us. Put your hands on your hips. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Thank you. Do you feel your lungs? How do they work? How do they work? Do you feel lungs? No? Your lungs right now looks like this. They are working so hard when we do activities so fast. Our lungs works like this. And now, look at the active board. And for lungs, there is task. Let's see. Lungs, please. Leader,
If you just saw a little sister or brother smoking, what will you say to discourage them from taking up the habit? Explain it with the help of poster.
Poster is on your desk. You should open it and use these pens and the pictures. It's in the envelope and prepare your poster. As for the group notes, what is the task?
If you just saw a man who is addicted smoking, what will you say him to stop smoking? Explain it with the help of poster.
You just go and so you should do the same task. You may use pictures, you may paint and prepare your task. I wanted to show cigarettes, unfortunately I couldn't find it. That's why I didn't use for this task. We are going right now to tell about the damages of smoking to our lungs. We can't do it. You have 7 minutes to prepare your poster. You have 3 minutes. If you have finished, leaders, let me know. Well, time is up. Notice who was the first. Come to the blackboard, active board. And describe a man who is a little sister. No, a man. I'm sorry. Let's start. I am smoker.
Sorry, don't smoke. No, I can't stop smoking. Smoking yellows your teeth. No, I can't stop smoking. Smoking causes lung cancer. I can't live without cigarettes. Big Bang. If you smoke, your teeth will become yellow. But they will be alive. It can end in teeth. So you should avoid smoking.
Smoking makes people that all breathe.
Smoking lasts.
Damages.
Wheezing, cold, and a chest infection. Please don't smoke. Thanks for advice. I will stop smoking.
Is that all? Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, the next group, lungs.
Smoking makes people of short breathing.
The person, don't smoke it. If you smoke in your teeth turn yellow.
Don't smoke it. Smoking harms your damage your skin.
No, I can't stop smoking.
Smoking causes lung cancer and also serious illnesses.
Smoking harms your damage your skin.
Thank you. I stopped smoking. From this day.
Nurprizan, why are you interested in smoking? You are little. You are a little child. Why are you interested in smoking?
I want
To taste it. Cigarettes. Oh, it's bad habit. Don't smoke. Is that all?
yes.
Thank you. Take your places. And now, what you have learned from today's lesson? You will say it one by one. Ahmed can start. No. What you have learned from today's lesson?
I have learned a respiratory system as nasal cavity, pharynx, diaphragm, and
Thank you. Dana.
I have learned about locations and respiratory organs.
Location of
From
respiratory.
this lesson, I have learned about the importance of not using all organs.
Smoking.
oh, smoking. I have learned a respiratory system and therefore cigarette and the cigarette dangerous damage in respiratory systems.
To our respiratory system.
I have long respiratory systems and smoking and smoking.
And damage of
Damage
smoking. I have learned.
I have learned about respiratory system and the effect of smoking health or health.
Damage to the health. Nurman.
Smoking cause your damage your respiratory system.
Ramazan. Be quick.
I have learned smoking.
What you have learned from this lesson? What you have learned?
Yes, I have learned smoking leads to damage.
Is damage. Thank you. Ayalum.
I have learned about respiratory system effects on the lungs.
Darira.
I understand that smoking is dangerous for our health.
I have learned about inhalation and exhalation process, how our lungs work.
After the lessons, I have learned that lungs are main body of person and we must protect them.
All right, you are. And now count your scores, your peer scores.
I do scores are 19. Excellent. Our year scores are 19. Excellent. Big tie scores are 18. Excellent. Underground scores are 19. Excellent.
What about yours?
My scores
What
are
is your score?
19.
19. Excellent.
And Jaina scores are 17.
17. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. You are please, Nurpirzen.
Nurwan scores 16 score.
16. 16 means what? Good. Good. Good marks.
Darila score 18.
Excellent. 18. Excellent.
Ramazan 17.
17. Excellent.
Ajnar score 18. Excellent.
Excellent.
And Ayolum score 15. Good.
15. Good.
And I scored 20. Excellent.
20. Excellent. Thank you. Was our lesson interesting for you?
Yes.
What about our guests? Was it interesting for you?